Okay, I'm multiplying out, simplifying 2ab times 3ac. First thing to do is look at the numbers. If they haven't got a negative sign in front of them, then you know that they're positive. I do that to make it simpler for myself later on. Now all I do is I go through very carefully, first do the numbers. So 2 times 3 is 6. Then I'm going to start to look at the letters. Well, I've got an A here, I've got an A here, I've got a B, and I've got a C. Basically I go through alphabetically. And now I look at the symbols. If you're timesing a positive by a positive, a pair gives positive, so it's plus. And finally, you've got to try to make it a bit simpler to read if possible. I don't need that positive at the front anymore, so I'm just going to write 6. A times A is actually A squared, and then we have B and C to finish. So the key points are, check what the numbers are, do that bit first, then do the letters. Alphabetically works well, and then simplify at the end. Can you make these A times A's into something simpler? A second example of that would be this. If I have 2xy squared times by negative 3y. So I'm going to go through that carefully. Again, there's no positive sign here, there's a negative here, so that's good. Don't have to do anything with that negative, but I need a positive here. So there's my positive. Here we go, 2 3's, a 6. I'm looking at my x's now. I've got an x here, but no x's there, so no more to write down. Now y squared. Now I know y squared is y times y. I'm making it a bit longer before I simplify at the end. So I've got y times y and another y here. Next, look at the signs. A positive times a negative is a negative. So finally, simplify what I have here. I've got 6, I've got an x, y times y times y is y cubed, and I've got a minus sign at the front too.